Good morning, class 4th. Today we have start your chapter number 7, that is the food are basic needs. At the last time we have discussed about that fats and the fibers, vitamins and the minerals. Fats, which is also known as the energy giving food, and vitamins, that is the protective foods, and fiber, it is the help the in the digestive system. And today we have learned about that water. Here it is the water is initial for all the bodily functions for the lives. It's make up more than half our body weight. In our body there are 70% of a water. Many vital body process depend on the water. For example, blood, which contains a lot of a water, carry oxygen to all the cells of the body. Without oxygen, those tiny cells could be die and the body would stop functioning. And the water also help in a digestion and the elimination of the waste in our body. Example, just like that, some digestive food material which is eliminated in our body as a waste. And we don't get water only from the drinking water. Any fluid we drink also contain water, such as a juice and a milk. Fruits and the vegetables such as watermelon, pineapple, strawberry, palms, oranges, cabbage, spinach and the turnip. And your next topic, that is a balanced diet. That is the good that we eat regularly to stay healthy and fit. It is important to have a balanced diet. A balanced diet contains all the initial nutrients, example carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and the minerals in the correct amounts, and it also includes fiber and sufficient amount of water. Here I have shown you that balanced diet chart. Here's that some initial nutrients found in a different types of the fruits and the vegetables and milk and the paneer, cheese, etc. Here, and the next topic, it is junk food. Food that has too much of some things that the body does not need, or not much of things that the body needs, is referred to as the junk food. And the some junk foods are fizzy cold drinks, candies, chocolates are fun to have sometimes, but it is not good to have them very often. Most junk foods contain a lot of sugar, salt, or fat, though our body needs them but in a limited amounts. However, when we eat too much of a junk food, we miss out on eating other foods item which may have initial nutrients such as the vitamins and the minerals. And some other ill effects of a junk foods are it is digestion problems, weakness, and may diversely affected your kidney, liver and the other vital organs. And your next topic, that is the cooking food. We eat some foods such as the fruits and the raw, and the cooking destroy their taste and the color, and the vitamins present in the fruits also get destroyed while cooking. They should be properly washed to get rid of a dust and the germs before eating. And other foods such as the vegetables and carrots are cooked before the eating. Okay class, today I have bundle session here, and today's your question is make a chart on a balanced diet, a healthy food and a unhealthy food. Again I have repeated that question. Make a picture on healthy and a unhealthy diet. Today I have bundle session here, and we have meet in your next video. Okay, then thank you class and have a nice day.